in this part, we are going to take a look at how we can establish trust over HTTPS. Since most websites implement hypertext transport protocol secure, which is HTTPS, it is beneficial to know how to enable Burp to communicate with such sites. HTTPS is an encrypted tunnel running over hypertext transport protocol. The purpose of HTTPS is to encrypt traffic between the client browser and the web application to prevent eavesdropping. Okay, so however, as testers, we wish to allow Burp to eavesdrop, since that is the point of using an intercepting proxy. Burp provides a loot, okay, which is the certificate authority CA signed certificate. This certificate can be used to establish trust between Burp and the target web application. Okay, so by default, Burp's proxy can generate a peer target CA certificate when establishing an encrypted handshake with the target running over HTTPS. That takes care of the Burp to web application portion of the tunnel. Okay, so we also need to address the browser to browser portion. Okay, so in order to create a complete HTTPS tunnel connection between the client browser, Burp, and the target application, the client will need to trust the port swinger certificate as a trusted authority within the browser. Okay, so in situations requiring penetration testing with a website running over HTTPS, a tester must import the port swinger certificate, okay, CA certificate, as a trusted authority within their web browsers. Okay, so we should ensure that Burp is started and is running. Okay, so as you can see, we have started Burp and it's running. Okay, so from there, as you can see, when we go inside the proxy or the target, then scope or under the proxy, and then intercept, as you can see, the intercept is off. Okay, so let us open Firefox. Then in a new tab, when we try to visit a website, an HTTPS website, like this, we type HTTPS. Okay, so you should note that in our previous parts, we were visiting a website or web pages that we are running over HTTP. As you can see here, we are using HTTP. Okay, and we were able to view that web page. Okay, so when we go to a website that's running over HTTPS like that, so let us try to go to google.com. Okay, so let us get HTTPS google.com like that. Okay, so I don't have internet connection, but this is not the kind of error that we should get. Okay, so when I press enter like that, you're going to get software is preventing Firefox from safely connecting to this site. As you can see, Google is most likely a safe site, but a secure connection could not be established. This issue is caused by the port swinger CA, okay, certificate, which is either software on your computer or your network. Okay, and as you can see here, we have the strict layer. So as you can see, google.com has a security policy called the HTTP strict transport security, okay, which is this one, which means that Firefox can only connect to it securely. You cannot add an exception to visit this site. Okay, so we have a problem. Okay, but the problem is not about internet connection. Okay, it's not about internet connection. Okay, it's about the trust. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to open a new tab. Okay, and then we are going to go to make sure Burpsuite is running. Okay, and you have already started it. Okay, so we type burp, or you can type, let us type http:// and then Burp like that. Okay, so from there you can add another slash like that if you want, but you can leave it. Okay, and then type enter like that. Okay, press enter. So when you press enter, we get this we go to this web page. It's a Burpsuite Community Edition web page. Okay, so as you can see, so when we go there, we can click on this button. As you can see, this button, okay, CA certificate, and when we click it, we download that certificate, okay. It's a .der, okay, file, okay. So after downloading it, we can click this one here, this icon here, to view where it is in our Explorer. As you can see, it's right there, okay. It's right there in the downloads, okay, in the downloads folder. Okay, so let us keep that aside. Let us keep that aside, and then what we are going to do, we are going to, in our Firefox, we are going to right click. Oh no, you are not going to right click. Don't right click. Here in the right hand corner, you click open application menu, and then under settings, okay, under settings, I think you are not viewing it very well, so click on this one and then go under settings, and we are going to search for certificate, okay, like that, okay. And then you are going to click on view certificates, okay, view certificates, click on it, and then we are going to get this output, okay, as you can see, okay. So we have different options. We have your certificates, we have many options here, as you can see. We have many options, as you can see. So what we are going to do, under authorities, we are going to click on import, okay. So we are going to click on import, and then we are going to go to where we downloaded our certificate. As you can see, it's right there, CASAT, it's right there, okay. And we are going to click on it, and then we click open, select it and click open, okay. So after opening, we can as you can see here, so in the dialog box that pops up, which is this one, we can check the trust this CA to identify. As you can see, trust this CA to identify our websites, okay. So we can click it, and then click OK, and from there you can click OK again, okay. So after doing that, we can close all dialog boxes, and we can restart Firefox. And if installation was successful, you can now visit any HTTPS URL, okay. So note this output that we got, okay, before importing the certificate. It looks like this, okay. So when I go back and I close, so let me close Firefox, okay, close, and then I'm going to search for it again. So Firefox is right here, so I'm going to open it. So open Firefox. After opening Firefox, we are going to go back. So let me set as primary browser, not now. So I'm going to open another tab, and then I'm going to search for, I'm going to type https google.com, like that, okay. So if you have internet connection, you can now go to this website, okay. You can go to this website, to the google.com website or web page, okay. So if we click enter, as you can see, we get unknown host google.com, okay, as you can see. So this is another output, okay. So we didn't get the previous error that we got. Let's go back. We don't have it. As you can see, it's right. So we didn't get, so when it loaded this one, so we didn't get the previous error that we got, okay. So as you can see now, we can now visit HTTPS websites, okay. So that's good if you have paid attention to this part and you have successfully gained something, okay. So don't forget to click the subscribe button. In the next part, we shall take a look at setting project options, okay. So thank you so much.